This is such a cool car. Check this one out if you're into classic muscle. a 1974 Dodge Charger SE trim. .400 cubic inch, torque flight automatic 3-speed transmission, showing 69,390 miles. All in really good shape. Got your CB radio, 8-track player. We'll go left to right, hitting buttons, pulling knobs, and we'll go for a drive. So you got park lights, headlights, high beams, indicator works, it's blue. Wipers. Do not appear to have wipers. Hear the pump? No wipers. HVAC. We will go to defrost. Foam may blow out. Not uncommon with a car that sits. Cable moves smooth. That's awesome. Defrost mode worked. Switching down to heat. Can hear it. Heard it switch. Now vent. Look at that. That works. AC mode. Move it over to cold. Let that run for a while. These have awesome dual piston air pumps. Super cool. It's cooling down. Might leave it on low and just see how it goes while we drive. See if it cools down. Okay. That's that. Manual adjust mirror. No passenger mirror. Manual crank windows. They work good. Seals up nice. Rubber feels like it's in good shape. I got some cooler air coming out of there. I'm not gonna call it cold, but it's cooler. Oh, let's turn on the radio. Heard some static. I'm not getting any tunes. No tape to try out your HVAC tracks there. CB radio. Good amount of static. I bet it would work if you had anyone on the air. So, radio's on full volume. I don't hear static or music or anything. So I'm gonna say the radio does not work. Ashtray doesn't look used. Cigarette lighter possibly looks used. Could just be normal how they look. No smell of smoke or anything like that. Glove box. Got a lot of paperwork. We have the original purchase paperwork in here, showing what he paid for it, and that's pretty darn cool. $4,200 for a 74 Dodge Charger back in the day. Split back bench seat. Easy order package. 400 cubic inch engine, battery, tinted glass, air conditioning. And he upgraded some extra stuff. Dealer mats, floor mats, and safety loop for $3. Got a discount for having no trade. Super cool. But yeah, owner's manual's in there, some other paperwork, map, South Dakota, stuff like that. You know, cool stuff to see. Interior's in awesome shape, really good. Headliner's in great shape. Dome light works. Visors, good shape. Interlock reminder for your seat belt there. Rearview mirror, fairly loose, mounted up nicely. We will get it in a good spot here. How's that? Day-night mode also works, but mirror, a little loose. Dash, no cracks, look at that. A little foam from our HVAC deal. Very good condition. This car was stored very well. Carpet's nice and black, no sun damage, stuff like that. We'll get it up in the air when we get back to the shop, and get you some pictures of that too. So here's reverse. I also have a camera or a microphone mounted up on the bumper so you can hear this thing. These old Mopars had a cool sound. Yeah, I got some cool air, guys. I'm gonna say air conditioning works. It's colder than the outside air, that's for sure. No wind noise out of the windows. Really good rubber seals on that. Good color, you know, red with black interior. That's awesome. Brakes. Pulls a hair to the right. Not bad. Got an armrest. Very nice. Cool classic V8 sound. Signature of a Mopar is that deep rumble. Like a big block kind of sound tone. Can almost tell by ear if one's coming. What a fun driving car. Power just keeps coming. Let's check with the old speed. What is going on here? Speed. See what how the speedometer reads. So we're reading 65, doing 61, and 75 is 65. It's a smaller wheel and tire combo on here. 75 is 65, roughly. Alright guys, you're looking for some classic muscle, the last of it. 75, they changed all the body styles. Check this one out, frankmanmotors.com. Click the I'm interested button on our website. Someone will be in contact. Or if you'd rather, just give us a call. 605-250-8776. And then if you're on YouTube, or while you're on YouTube, if you're watching this, like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment, watch another video. All those things help my channel. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.